go over some real quick safety notes on the drill press. First, it's important to make sure you wear your safety glasses. Next, it's important to make sure that any long sleeves or long hair are tied up and out of the way. Safe operation of the drill press is important. Make sure you use a little bit of lube if your material requires it. Start the drill press and gently apply pressure. Before drilling, it's important to make sure that your material is securely clamped. The table height is adjustable. It's important to make sure it's not too high or too low for the material you're trying to drill. Ensure that the drill bit is tight in the chuck and tighten using the chuck key. The drill press speed is adjustable by changing the belts underneath the top cover. Refer to the charts on the front of the drill press and under the cover to select an appropriate speed.